As you can see on the screen, that the given topic, that is measurement of angles of polygon, where today we will discuss on some questions related to polygons or their angles. In this chapter that we learn to how can we find the size of exterior angle of polygon. In the same way, how to find the sum of interior angle of polygon. In the same way, how to find each how to find the size of each angle of polygon. In this way, today we have some questions on the same topic, and that is given to you here. And the question is given to you on your screen, that you can see the question on your screen, and the question is here: find the size of interior angle of the following regular polygon in degree and grade. So that, dear students, as you know, how to convert degree into grade or grade into degree in the same way, grade in degree into radian, grade into radian, in the same way, radian into grade or degrees. If you have practiced the conversion of angles in your previous exercise, then I think, or I hope, this exercise won't be hard for you. So that, for the question we have given here, pentagon, we need to find the size of pentagon, or interior angle of pentagons, as first in degree and then after in grade. So let's start the solution. For this, we have here that you can see on your screen that here number of side in pentagon, as we know, there are 5 sides in pentagon, so that the number of side in pentagon is equal to 5. Now, because according to the question, as first we need to find the size of pentagon in degree as first, according to the question, because the question is asking to find the size of angle in degree as first. That's why we find the size of the angle of pentagon in degree as first, so that, as we have given the formula, that size of interior angle of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree by n. So that what, where n is indicated by the number of side. That's why size of interior angles of pentagon is equal to number of side is there given, we have 5, so that we replaced 5 for n. So here 5 minus 2 and into 180 degree by 5 is equal to 3 into 5. When 2 is subtracted from 5, as we got 3, so 3 into 180 degree by 5. Okay, or in this way, 3 into 180, when we multiplied 3 and 118, as we got 540 degree, which is divided by 5. And the answer that we have here, 108 degree, after dividing 540 by 5. Or in this way, we got the angle of pentagon, or the interior angle of pentagon in degree as first. Then after, we need to find the angles of pentagon in grade. So for that, as per the given formula, we convert the degree into grade. So as per given to you on the screen, that now finding the size of angle of pentagon in grade. As we know that, okay, here we use the formulas. 1 degree is equal to 10 by 9 grade. Okay, 1 degree is equal to 10 by 9 grade, where 108 degree is equal to 10 by 9 into 108 grade. That is after cancelling 9 12 ja 9 12 ja 180, sorry, 108, and then after 10 into 12 is equal to 120 grade. So in this way we got the size of interior angle of regular pentagon in grade as well as, sorry, in degree and as well as in grade. Or I hope you can solve the related question in this way. So let's talk about other question. And the second question is given to us like this here, as you can see on the screen. And the question is, find the size of exterior angle of the following regular polygon in degree as well as in grades. For this also, we took the same example of pentagon. And here we need to find the size of exterior angle, okay, of the regular polygon. In the same way, we had a formula, and that we have learned already about the formula to find the size of exterior angle, that is 360 degree by n. So we apply the same formula here to find the size of exterior angle. So the solution is given to you on the screen here. Number of side in pentagon, that is given to us 5. In the same way, finding the size of angles of pentagon in degree, okay, that is exterior angle. Okay, angle means exterior angle, that we are going to find the size of exterior angle of pentagon in degree as first. So we have here size of exterior angle of pentagon is equal to, sorry, polygon is equal to 360 degree by n. Okay, so size of exterior angle of polygon is equal to 360 degree by n. This is the formula that we need to apply to find the exterior angle of any polygon, but the polygon should be regular. That means if the polygon is given to us and if the given polygon is regular polygon, then we can apply the formula to find the exterior angle. So that according to the formulas, as we know, n is denoted for the number of side of the polygon. So as here we have number of side in pentagon is equal to 5 given, and as we know that, so size of exterior angle of pentagon is equal to, as we replace the value of n here, so 360 degree by n means 5, and when 360 degree by is divided by 5, as we got 72 degree. Okay, that we found the first angle in degree as per the question. Or in this way, I hope you can find the size of angles or exterior angles of any regular polygon in degree. So let's talk about the grade measurement. As we have the same formula that we use here to find the angle in grade. So here, as we have given, now finding the size of angle of pentagon in grade. As we know that 1 degree is equal to 10 by 9 grade. There is no difference because we have the formulas or the equations that we use to convert degree into grade. So that we have given here 72 degree. That's why we convert this 72 degree into grade. So after converting here, 72 degree is equal to 10 by 9 into 72 grade as a whole. So that after cancelling or dividing 72 by 9, 8 9 ja 72 that we have. Okay, so 8 9 ja 72, then 8 10 ja 80. That is the grade. Or in this way, we can convert. That means here you need to remember the equation or the formula of the previous exercise that we have learned already to convert the degree into grade or grade into degree, degree into radian or radian into degree, grade into radian or radian into grade. If we learn the equation pi radian is equal to 180 degree is equal to 200 grade, then you can find all the equation, that means all the formulas of the conversion by yourself that we have learned already in our previous exercise or in our previous classes. That's why here we got the exterior angle of the regular pentagon, size of exterior angle of the regular pentagon in degree as well as in grade. So I hope you understood the solutions. So in this way, let's talk about the other questions that is here. Find the size of interior angle. Sorry, find the sum of the interior angle of the following polygon in degree and grade. So as per the question, we have here hexagon and we need to find the sum of interior angle of hexagon in degree as well as in grades. So students, as we know, the sum of interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 100 degree. This is the formula that we apply to find the sum of interior angle of polygons. And for any polygon, you can use the same formulas because either the polygons are regular or irregular. We can use the same formula because in the given polygons, to find the sum of interior angle, their sides are only used, so that we can use the formula to find the sum of interior angle of any polygon. Either the polygons are regular or irregular. So let's start the solution. And the solution is given to you on the screen as first here. Here, number of side in, sorry, okay. Here, hexagon. Hexagon is equal to 6. So number of side is equal to number of side in hexagon is equal to 6, as we know, because hexagon is made up of 6 line segments. In the same way, now as according to the question, as first we are going to find the size of, or sorry, the sum of the interior angle of hexagon in degree, so that It's finding the size of angle. Sum of angle here should be sum. Because of my mistake, it happens. So finding the sum of angle of hexagon in degree. Now size of interior angle of polygon is equal to size of or sum of okay, sum of interior angle of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the formula that we need to apply here, and so that sum of interior angle of hexagon is equal to, that we replace n by the number of side, that is 6. So 6 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is when 2 is subtracted from 6, that we got 4, or when we multiply 4 into 180 degree, that we got 720 degree. Or in this way we can find the sum of any polygon by using the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. I hope you understood the quiz solutions. Or in this way, we have given here for the second purpose to find the sum of the interior angle of polygon into grade. As we know, we have the same formula to convert or for the conversion of hexagon or for any polygon into from degree to grade, so that 1 degree is equal to 10 by 9 grade, that we need to apply here to convert the degree into grade. That's why the answer is given to us, or the answer that we got in degree, that is 720 degree as the sum of interior angle of polygon. So that here 720 degree is equal to 10 by 9 into 720 grade. That's why here after cancelling 9 and 72, so here as we got 8 9 are 72 and 0. After multiplying 10 and 80, as we got 800, and which is the required answer in grade. So in grade, the sum of interior angle of hexagon is 800 grade. In the same way, the sum of interior angle of hexagon in degree is 720 degree. Or I hope in this way you can find the measurement of the angles or the sum of the angles as well in grade as well as in degrees measurement. And I hope you understood the solutions. In the same way, we have the fourth question that is given to you on the screen, or you can see on the screen that from the given exterior angles of regular polygon, find the number of sides. So students, as we have given here some measurement or some angles which is representing for the exterior angle of any regular polygon, and if the exterior angle of regular polygon is given, on that time how can we find the size of number of sides of regular polygon? So don't be confused. We use the same formula that we use to find the size of exterior angle of polygon. and the solution is here. Here, size of exterior angle of polygon is given here, that you can see on the screen that, or you can see in your question that. Okay, so size of exterior angle is given to us, that is 60 degree. So here, size of exterior angle of polygon is 60 degree given. As you know, the formula that which is used to find the size of exterior angle of polygon is what? Yeah, the formula that we use to find the exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree by n. So at the place of the size of exterior angle of polygon, we replace the statement by the formula 360 degree by n, and which is equal to what? 60 degree. Okay, which is equal to 60 degree. Or in this way, there is nothing as the denominator of 60, that we suppose 1, and here we use the cross multiplication. Here we use the cross multiplication. So 360 degree into 1 is equal to 360. That means degree cancel degree. So don't be confused, or don't think why there is no degree in the 360 degree and 60 degree. 60. So that's the degree cancel degree. But no need to show. So here 360 into 1, that is 360 degree. Sorry, 360 is equal to n into 60 is equal to 60 n. Or because of the multiplication form, we divide 360 by 60. So n is equal to 360 by 60. So that n is equal to 6 answer. So we can write here, hence the, don't use, hence the required number of side of polygon is 6. So it is a, so it is a what? Hexagon. Hexagon. So it is a hexagon. Or in this way, we can find the number of sides if there is given the size of exterior angle. Or not this only, we can, by using the formula of the sum of exterior angle, or the sum of or the size of interior angle, or the sum of interior angle. If there is given the sum of interior angle, by the using same formula, we can find the number of side. In this way, in the same way, if there is given the size of interior angle, by using the formula to find the size of interior angle, we can also find the number of side in this way, so that you can find the number of sides by using the formulas if there is given the size of exterior angle, either interior or interior angle, or as well as the sum of interior angle. So I hope you understood all the solutions that we discussed today. So thank you for today.